Jai Shri Gurudev. Children, welcome back to the English online class. Hope you are all safe and fine at home. Children, in previous videos, we have learnt about the first lesson, a hero. So, there had a conversation between Swami and his father. Swami's father was very much impressed by the courage of village lad and he was trying to explain him, but Swami rejected that he is not a small young boy. Instead of that, he said he may be a grown up person and all the news will be fake in the newspaper. But Swami's father was arrogant and he said these things in this video. We have the next session. Let us continue with the next paragraph. Children, hope you are all having the PDF format with you. So please open that and follow these lines. You think you are wiser than the newspaper? Father sneered. A man may have the strength of an elephant and yet be a coward, whereas another may have the strength of a straw, but if he has courage, he can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. See, children, father said that. Are you wiser than the newspaper? No, newspaper knows everything. It is not a fake news, it is the reality. He sneered at him. Means, what do you mean by the sneer? Speak in a mocking manner. So, neglecting and condemning the words of Swami. So, and he also explained that a man have the strength of an elephant but yet be a coward. Children, if you look at a person, if he is physically fit and fine, don't think he is very bold and brave. He might be a coward. See, children, for coward, the opposite word is brave. So, brave and coward are antonyms. Whereas another may have the strength of a straw, but if he has courage, he can do everything. Straw means, yes, the grass. Suppose if a man looks very thin and lean like a straw, don't think that he is a weak person. He is a coward. He may be a courageous man. He can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Children, the only important thing is courage. If you have courage, you can do anything. Not strength and age. Strength and age does not matter. Only courage is important. So we have lot of incidents in your life also. You have faced many incidents. So with your braveness, with your courage, you could have solved that. So any instant like that, if you have faced, so just I'll send you the homework. Write in your own words. Now let us move on to the next paragraph. Swami disputed the theory. How can it be, father? Suppose I have all the courage what I could do if a tiger should attack me. Leave alone strength. Can you prove you have courage? Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. So Swami disputed the theory. What do you mean by dispute? Disagreement. He did not agree. How can it be, father? If I have courage, can I attack the tiger all of a sudden? So this question brought Swami to trouble. So he trapped himself by asking this question. Let us see in the further paragraphs. So for this, father replied, leave alone strength. Can you prove if you have courage? Sleep in my room tonight. So what did the task given by Swami's father? So he said that if you have courage, come on, let me see if you can sleep alone in my office room. So here begins Swami's fate. So Swami was trapped himself. So let us see what happens in the next paragraph. A frightful proposition, Swami thought. He had always slept beside his granny in the passage, and any change in this arrangement kept trembling and awake all night. He hoped at first that father was only joking. A frightful proposition means a frightful proposition is nothing but shocking suggestion. He was shocked to hear this. Swami thought his father was only joking, but this father took very seriously. What is the bad habit of Swami? He used to sleep every time along with his granny, beside his granny in the passage. So that was his habit. He was not able to sleep alone any time. So if he sleeps alone also, something changes in his arrangement of sleeping. Every time he used to awake all the night. So this kept him trembling. Trembling here means shaking involuntarily, shivering. So he got fear of sleeping alone in his room. So he hoped that his father only joking, but this became a serious issue. So he was used to sleep always along with his granny. He never slept alone. So this made him very trembling, very fear. He got fear of this. He mumbled weakly, "Yes," and tried to change the subject. He said very loudly and with a great deal of enthusiasm, "We are going to admit even elders in a cricket club hereafter. We are buying brand new bats and balls. Our captain has asked me to tell you." So he mumbled weakly. Mumbling means unclear talk, talking yourself without clarity. Yes, and tried to change the subject. Now he wanted to change his father's topic. So he said very loudly and great enthusiasm. Means enthusiasm is nothing but feeling excited. So with great excitement, he just shouted, "Father, our captain told that to admit the elders also. So we are admitting all the elders. Please just admit to our cricket club, and we are buying new branded bats and balls. So hereafter even you can become a member of our cricket club. So please, our captain said to tell this. So I am very much interested in admitting you to our captain club." So these were the things said by Swami to his father. But what happened? We'll see about that later. Father cut in. "We must sleep, you must sleep alone hereafter." Swami realized that the matter had gone beyond his control. From a challenge, it had become a command. He knew his father's tenacity at such moments. Tenacity means determination or aim or commitment. So, what is the reply given by father? We'll see about later. Father cut in. Cut in means he stopped there. "Don't change the topic, Swami. You must sleep in my room hereafter alone." But Swami realized the matter has gone behind his control. So he is not able to control anything. It has gone beyond his control. From a challenge, it became a command. The task is very serious. So he was in confusion what to do. He was trapped himself. So this was the situation of Swami here. Let us continue the next paragraphs in the next session, children. Children, please go through all the things which I have done today. If you get any doubts, please feel free to call me and go through the lesson once and learn the things. Thank you, children. Thank you for your cooperation. Jai Shri Gurudev.